Assalamu alaikum, hi and namaste. My name is Abid Ali and I am a travel blogger. Our today's destination is Jandial Temple of Texla. It has also been called the most Hellenic structure yet found on Pakistani soil. So let's go and explore it.
Jandial, an ancient temple of 1st century BC, place of Persian Zoroastrians. 4,000 years old religion, now turned into a pasture of grazing animals. It's time to recall the history, experience it.